What's going on, guys? It's G69. Back to do an airsoft review. God, my light's on my phone out here and it's bright as hell. I should have made it where the flash was off. Anyway, this is my Cyma Romania. Full wood, real wood, full metal. I got it where the charging hammer stays back now, charging lever. I got a D-Boys motor, D-Boys gearbox, and everything that I just installed in there, and we're going to see how good it works. I just tried one shot, and it has been kind of... Okay, let's try fully automatic. Alright. I haven't even adjusted the hop up or anything yet. So far it's doing okay. Chugging them on down. Let's chugging them right on down. Well, as you can see, guys, the only thing I don't like about a D-Boys gearbox is you can see inside of the gears right there. Other than that, I had to do some readjusting on here and a few other things like that. So that's pretty much my Franken 47, Franken K 47. But yeah, man. As you can see, Cyma can't be beat. With D-Boys and Cyma alone, you can't be beat. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. The other gearbox still works, but I put this one in there just for the sake of it, just because the other one's trashed. Still worked. The blowback still worked on this. This was a blowback, but I disassembled it. Put a whole nother spring system in there and everything. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. All right, peace out. Later.